Jaden's like, I'll eat them.
Jaden, look. Jaden.
Thing is complete.
Jaden, look. Jaden.
Those cookies are for Santa,
no,
Jaden.
those are
You can't
Santa.
eat them.
Those are for Santa. Keep his face. Jaden. Look. Those cookies are for Santa, honey. Sorry. Those are for Santa. Look. Look.
Say Santa. Can you say Santa?
You say Santa?
Come on, Jaden.
Come here.
What is that? What are those?
Look at all the stuff under the tree. What happened here?
Okay.
Look under the tree. Oh my goodness.
Love those little shoes.
Jaden, look under the tree. Do you think Santa's been here? She go for the bow. Oh my goodness.
Alright, sit him on the floor and let him pull stuff out of it.
Come here.
Look what Grandma's got.
Come here. Come here. What in the world do you think this could be? Here. Look.
Is that Elmo?
Pull it out. See?
Is that Elmo?
Oh.
Here, I'm gonna prop this up, Thomas. Can I have this?
Hug.
Prop my camera up.
Can you give Elmo a hug?
Oh, that's perfect.
Give him a hug.
Is it Elmo?
Oh.
Can you give Elmo a hug?
Aww.
What else is in there?
A new sippy!
Speaking of sippies, he's probably thirsty.
That's cool.
You wanna
I
drink
know
real
you got
fast?
Elmo. I love your Elmo. He's cute. There's Janet. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Jaden, give Elmo a hug. Give Elmo a hug.
He's like, I'm trying to.
How satisfied, little man.
What else is in there?
Multitasking. All right.
He's like, I like this thing.
Yeah.
It's magical.
Oh.
So cute.
Oh. Maybe the tennis.
Hello.
Is this the big one?
I don't know which is which. I don't know. I don't think it would be that heavy.
Alright, Jaden, trying to switch it up. Come on.
This is big.
It's gonna take you guys all day just to have him play with everything.
Horsey.
I wanted to already have that put together sitting out, but Thomas didn't want to.
That VTech stuff, I think it's such good toys.
What are you doing? I thought we were waiting to open.
Thomas,
Ready? That's cool. Triangle. Ready? Go. Walk. Short, short, short. Machine, circle, hard and square. Can you do? 1, 2, firefly. 3.
books. Awesome.
Ooh, I like that one. Blue. Man, Santa had some cool books. Yeah. Is that the one? Oh. Yay, books! You ready to open another one? You can already.
Awesome. Now that is a truck.
Oh, Jaden. Oh, that's noise.
Is that the biggest car you've ever seen?
Huh.
Now, do you want me to open it now or wait until after everything's open?
Wait. It'll take forever to get everything out of the packaging constantly.
You want to stick all these bows on his head?
Huh?
You want to stick all these bows on his head?
It doesn't matter.
Shane was complaining about the having to. Clean clothes.
Pretty good at this filming.
Already figured it out. It's close goodbye.
Boy, I threw it to be 4 or 5 before he figured that one out.
Oh, they're pulling it out.
That's funny.
Pull it out. Ooh.
Ooh, Queen!
Oh, sweet.
Found those about 4 weeks ago and had to get them. The Who.
If there's a Rob Zombie one, I'll kiss
I
you, Dad.
couldn't find one.
Oh. What's that one say there? Is that Pink Floyd?
Pink Floyd. And then
Is it a Jimi Hendrix one?
Jimi Hendrix, yeah.
Look what you have. Thank you. Pull it out.
Remember that hand mold thing you guys got last year?
Oh, the thing we epic failed on?
Yeah, this is clay, so you
Oh.
just roll it out
Then
and
we put a
it
place our
dries,
picture
so
in.
you don't have to worry
Oh.
about setting up.
So that's kind of a Jaden mommy thing.
This is to go with one of his bigger toys.
That's cool. Was it a shape thing or something?